How's it, everybody? I am going to tease for you a new series we got coming out on Eat and Be Eaten. This is all about Portuguese sausage, Hawaii style. We are going to go through brands in the store, which ones are the best, which ones not. We're going to show you how to make sausages, talk about the spice mix, and the thing I'm most excited about is the recipes we want to bring you.
Portuguese sausage in Hawaii is a classic. It's made out of pork with garlic and paprika, also Hawaiian chili peppers, vinegar, of course salt, pepper, sugar, and the best way to do it is to smoke them in the smokehouse or add a little liquid smoke to get that flavor into your sausages. And now I want to talk about recipes. We want to bring you all the popular ones: fried rice, omelet with cabbage. I like the idea of doing Portuguese sausage musubi, maybe a stuffing inside a chicken. For sure, we're going to do a Portuguese bean soup recipe and a Portuguese sausage, eggs, and rice breakfast for you. But if there's any other recipes that you want to make sure we do, put it in the comments and we'll definitely get to those. This is going to be a fun one. See you soon. Aloha.